Alright, I don't know if you can hear me, but the Camaro is finally running without me having to be there to hold it. I'm purging that radiator. I got all the coolant hoses on. Idle's a little rough. I gotta put the timing gun on it, but it's running pretty good for, you know, not being timed right. But here it is. Well, fun while it lasted. I am going to refill the coolant one more time. All I really have left to do now is just put the carb filter on there. I'm trying to think of what I have left because I don't want to be the dummy that breaks down, you know, a quarter mile from my house. Power steering pump's on there. Still gonna have that because this thing's a freaking boat. It's pretty hard to turn without it. But as you can see, I still have a lot left to do. I have the whole dash out, which I'm probably going to keep it out for a while, but put the blinker system and steering wheel back on. I'm going to take the seat out and clean it. I got the rest of the seats already cleaned up, but the hood's right here. I'm just going to go without it for a little while, though. There's the Z28. Can't wait to get this thing down. I actually am going to top the trans fluid off and see if I can get these wheels back here spinning. Everything's jacked up right now. And I still got a jack here on the back end. But that's it for this video. Pretty stoked. Sure I'll be getting in trouble soon with this thing.